Yeah. What up, Ghana? What up, ACCRA? What up, Africa? Whole wide world. I'm coming to get you. Y'all hip hoppers in the West, in the coast. Talk about a whole lot. Those and all that, man. I ain't seen that. Africa. Jay told you about that. Africa. That's the home of hip hop. Home of hip hop. This is where we at. ACCRA. Red, gold, and green. I rep. Black Star. They call me. I got my man Kubi right here. My man BT right here. Repping BT Records. That's what it is, man. Doing it for the West Side each and every time, man. Jay, I told you.
I'm fly.
I'm fly.
Take off. Fly.
Birds in the sky, check it. What? Okay, love for the money. Game in the hundreds. And the kids are coming. Ain't your motherfuckers funny. Why the dial player? I do it for the money. Pay for service. Take some money and money. Big days popping and some little things stopping. Try to swing way for the VMA stopping. It's a rough rider passing. Terror squad action. Push it to the limit. For the boss of we coming. Jay-Z had it. And Jay over made it. Freelance Illuminati, all we need is money. Keep it coming every day. Fuck what you're saying. Hey, brother, don't be stupid. I'm here for the first one plan. Yeah, hey, first class, no search everything. Me first, we don't need no back fuckers. They don't even ask for. Then we getting asked for. No stops, no stops.
Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly, did you see that? Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly like a eagle.
What?
Take me away to say.
Take me away. Judge where I'm from. See, I was born on Sunday. Came home with my day. Eyes open on Tuesday and run a baby on Wednesday. Mama looked me in the face on Thursday and then she said, you gon' be a better man and shine brighter than I say. Then came Friday, then Saturday, 8 days, Sunday. Then it was a better day. Mommy and daddy and everybody got it around. The pay me homage. Then I was crying. Came from top of the game. Everywhere on top of the range. The can't bring me down with the needed glasses. Just to watch me, cause I'm so shining. So brighter than a star. Call me AGA around me. Everything fresher than you talk about me. Ground me, kid. This is where it is, okay? I'm from the Black Star, you never thought about.
Fly like a bird. Fly like a bird.
Fly like a bird in the sky, did you see that? Fly like a bird, fly like a bird, fly like a pigeon in the evening. No joke, man. I'm coming to get ya. So y'all try holla. Try to get back at me on Facebook, D.I. Green. You know what I mean? My page. Check out Twitter, D.I. Green. Check out YouTube, my videos on YouTube, D.I. Green 00. That's where it is, man. Count down. Ain't nobody testing Africa where I'm from. Don't joke. Man, and don't forget that Reverb Nation shit, man. Reverb Nation. ReverbNation.com. Check out D.I. Green. And he's on it.